Hello. Since Halloween just came and Thanksgiving coming up, I thought we could draw a zombie turkey. This is what it will look like. It's a zombie turkey. One thing you should know about zombie turkeys is that zombies eat your brain, zombie turkeys eat your blood. Okay? So this is what it will look like. So let's start drawing. First, I am just gonna draw a rectangle without closing it. See? Next, I am going to draw a line, a curve out in and there. That's what you do. It's kind of like an S, but don't make this too fat or it won't look like a turkey. And the same thing on the other side. And then close it. See? Next, let's draw this wing. Let's draw a line down like this, and then two bumps. Two bumps. There, the wing. Now, to make it look creepy, I'm going to draw the zombie turkey holding its head. First, we're going to do this line that kind of looks like a zigzag, but no points. We curve around and then follow the same thing. There, the wing. Next, for the head, I am going to draw a C, but then stop right there for the beak. So I'm just going to draw a sideways M, a little diagonal, and then close it. Then finish it. Now, to look like it's dead, first draw two lines that kind of make it look like it's angry, but then draw X's so then it looks like it's dead. Next, I am going to draw the feet, which are mostly going to be drumsticks. So first I'm going to do two curves on each side. Next, I'm going to curve out, make a big bump. Like, you don't have to, and you can make it at whatever shape you want. And the same thing on the other side. Curve out, curve back in. Now to make the bone, I'm going to just put a line right there. Now to make it look kind of creepy, so since zombie turkeys eat blood, I'm going to draw blood over and on it. To do this, all you do, I'll demonstrate over here. You do a curve, you make a hook, and then curve in, and then curve back out. There. Now you can draw blood wherever you want. And I'm just going to draw a little dot coming out of the zombie turkey's dead mouth. Now for all the bite marks. On the feet first, I'm going to draw these two a bite on each one. They don't have to be exactly like this. You can draw them wherever you want. But once you find the spot, go over it a couple of times to make it look like it's good. To make it look like it's actually bitten. I'm going to do one here on the shoulder. Maybe one right here. And I'm going to do one on the wing. There. Now the bite. Now, to make it look like someone bit in the very middle of it, let me show you what we're going to draw next. Now we're going to draw this dot to look like someone just bit in the middle of the turkey. So I'm just going to draw a U, turn the paper, U, turn the paper, U, turn it, and then keep doing a U till you're done. You can do as much as you want. You can even do tiny ones. There. Now if you want, you can make blood coming out of the zombie turkey's neck. And zombie turkeys, actually, and since they don't have a head, they suck it on their neck. That's one thing you should know about zombie turkeys. There. It's done. Yay! Here's what it looks like. Next, now to color it, I'm going to color this circle first. I'm going to color this circle, and I'm going to color it with tan. So I'm going to color this dot with tan. See? Now I am going to, I forgot to dark line, do this a couple of times. And if you want, you can make more of these bite marks anywhere. So I'm just going to do one right here and there. Next, I'm going to use this red crayon to color all the blood. See? Some blood. Blood here. Some blood drips. And if you even want, you could add a pile of blood. Like this. Puddle of blood. There. Now I'm gonna to color the zombie turkey, I'm gonna use reddish brown. This is the color of reddish brown, but if you don't have it, you can just mix brown and red to make it. You just mix brown and red to make it. And then you just color the turkey to make it look like it's roasted. And you color but these tiny bite marks. And then the head, but no coloring the beak. No coloring the beak. After this, we're going to color the beak. And I forgot to tell you, use tan to color the bone for the feet. It actually works. just gonna color this a little bit more to make it look more bloody. There. And you don't have to put blood exactly where I did. You could put blood wherever you want. Even if you want to put it in the turkey's mouth like mine. The mouth right here. Blood coming out of its mouth. Now I'm going to color the feet the same color, but no coloring the bite marks. Remember that. There. And now also color the head that color, except the beak. And now it looks like a turkey, a roasted turkey. But remember, if you do not have this color, if you do not have reddish brown, you can mix brown and red to make it. Just mix brown and red and you'll make it, okay? And now the beak. All you do is just color this M with a box on the bottom. There. A zombie turkey. The two zombie turkeys want to eat your brain. They want to eat your brain. Thank you for drawing a zombie turkey. I'll see you next time.
I'll get it. Are you done?